Hey guys, welcome back to Caveman Mining. Today is going to be the final hash rate video for the RX6600XT, and we're going to conclude with mining Ravencoin. You saw in the previous videos that we covered Ethereum, that we were able to get a hash rate of over 32 megahash, and ERGO we were able to just, I would say, rounding about to 63 megahash, which pretty good. So I want to see how well this card performs on Ravencoin, and we're going to jump right to it right now. I'm going to click right into the farm, and we're going to go into the card, the miner. I'm going to restart the miner here, so we have no clock set on this particular card. And we're going to go ahead and open up a Hive shell just to see what we have going on. And so far, yeah, I've been generally happy with the efficiency on this card. All the algorithms essentially have been able to withstand or get under 100 watts. So let's see if we can achieve that with Ravencoin. Let's see what this card actually does stock in terms of hash rate. I am pretty curious. What we're running for a flight sheet, just so you guys see here, we are running the Team Red Miner. So when you set up the flight sheet for Raven, you want to set up the coin for RVN, set up your Raven wallet. For the pool, we're going to do 2 miners pool, okay? And we are mining to the US Raven 6060 port and Team Red Miner, which is again notoriously known for the AMD cards. Kapow is the algorithm for Ravencoin. We will leave all of the wallet and worker templates to the default arguments and also the pool URL. So you apply that, and we're going to bop back over to the Hive shell, and you can see out the gate this card is pulling just over 15 mega hash. And we'll take a look over here at the power consumption, about 76 watts. So not too bad for a stock, non-overclock, anything, nothing super special about this right now, and able to get a share there. So let's go ahead, and we're gonna go in and start doing the overclocks. Okay, so let's go back into our miner. We're going to go back into the card, and so the core clock, okay, is going to be something a little bit traditionally higher than what most people think. So we're going to do 1425. We're going to leave the core voltage, the memory controller voltage blank. We're going to start with a memory clock of 1130. Memory voltage, we'll leave that default, and I'm just going to pick the fan percentage of 57%. So let's go ahead and apply that, and let's see what we can get for a live hash rate change. We're going to move back over to shell, and let's see, crossing our fingers, I'm hoping we can get over 16 mega hash. That would be pretty happy with, I think, staying around the same watts, but let's see what happens here. And yeah, if this card can actually pull, a decent mega hash on Ravencoin, I'm thinking that I may potentially build a rig just for Ravencoin and incorporate a bunch of these 6600 XT cards. So I'm really looking for something super power efficient, and I'm really into Ravencoin. Just so you guys know, my kind of mining portfolio right now is Ethereum. Obviously, primarily, I would say 80 to 90% of my setup is mining Ethereum, and then, I would say about 20% of my cards are mining Ravencoin. And I think this card has a long-term potential. Again, nothing I say is financial advice. This is merely just my opinion and my strategy. And yes, you could say it's a little bit of a gamble, but yeah, I'm hoping that you know, it does well. So look at this. Look at that. We're getting over 16 mega hash. We're almost getting close to 17 mega hash. So let's see if we can get a couple more cycles of the hash rate here. We're able to already get one share. So let's see if this hash rate bogs down or if it goes up slightly. But this is not too bad of a start already. And yeah, it's just, there we go, 16.90. So creeping up there. Let's tab back over to Hive. Give a refresh. So yeah, Hive is reporting, yeah, at the software 82 watts. And yeah, 82 within the software on the miner as well. And yeah, let's see, let's let it cycle for another hash rate or two and see what we get. Okay, so we came down just slightly there, but 16.90 and 16.86 as our, you know, couple of hash rates reported here. And I would like to see another share if we can. That would make me particularly happy. And yeah, let's take a look, refresh here on the Hive interface. Same holding at 82 watts, 16.87. All right, not too bad, not too bad. All right, we're gonna play a little bit of a profitability prospect game here. We're gonna go over to what to mine, and we're going to plug in. This is already preset to the 6600 XT. We're going to put in 16.90. I'm going to say 82 watts. It's not at the wall. 12 cents kilowatts kilowatt hour. 5.59 for the cost of the card and a 1% pool fee. And let's see where that puts us. $2.11 after the cost of electricity here a day, which translates a break-even time for this card for 265 days on Ravencoin. Not too bad. And yeah, we're still holding on the hash rate here. I haven't seen another share come in. It's a little concerning there, but let's take a look at the coin. Okay, let's look at Ravencoin's price. 15 cents a coin. Let's refresh actually. Yep. And we're going to do, let's do a year outlook. So about a year ago, September, the beginning of September, this coin was 2 cents. Okay, and essentially it's grown by 13 cents over a year, so 805%. Insane. Now we've had big jumps when Bitcoin had its like peak, you would say, in February, 29 cents. Okay, so had some consolidation, went up to 24 cents, swung back down to, you know, 13 cents, then dropped all the way back down to 5 or 4 cents around the beginning of summer, and now it's back up, you know, I think it was 16 cents yesterday. So, you know, I am, again, my strategy long-term holder on this card, and yeah, I want to keep mining Ravencoin and seeing how well it does, and yeah, going just checking it out. And look, we're on the hash rate of almost 17 mega hash, so 16.98. Pretty good, really good. Yeah, I haven't really seen this many people breaking 17 on this card, with staying at this wattage here of 82 reported on the software. So I'm pretty stoked about that. But I would like to see another share. So we'll wait a little bit here. We might take a pause and see, is the software just spooling up and consolidating? I don't want to hold you guys up and just have this video drag out. So take a quick pause. We'll do an edit and we'll come back to report on the share. And we'll see you in just a second. Okay guys, so we waited just about a minute after the last cut there, and we're able to grab 2 shares in a row. So a good sign of things to come. I think just the 2 miners pool in this card is just taking some time to spool up and kind of interface together here. So yeah, that being said, always make sure when you're mining and you're putting overclocks that you're checking to see that you are accepting shares. Just because you're getting a hash rate on your screen is one thing, but actually, getting the shares accepted is another thing. So with that said, guys, I am extremely pleased with this card, especially on Ravencoin. I'm quite a bit surprised. So let me know in the comments below, are you guys mining or have you tried Ravencoin? If you have, what particular overclocks and hash rate are you getting, and what is your efficiency? Please, I'm very concerned about power limit and power level, so let me know what you're getting for your wattage. And yeah, I'm always constantly trying to see what's going on out there in the community for these new cards and educating myself. Is there a better way to do things? So yeah, keep me posted on that for sure, guys. Have an open mind here. I am by no means a know-it-all in terms of overclocking and hash rate, especially on these new cards. So any information is welcome. But yeah, guys, I'm going to cut the video here. I just want to thank you all again. What an amazing community. I just hit 100 subscribers today. And actually, we've got a few more on the way, a few more subscribers coming in as we speak. So I am ecstatic. We've only had the channel for about 2.5 weeks, so I'm a little bit floored in terms of like the support I've been getting around the community. So you guys are freaking awesome. Just thank you so much. But yeah, keep it up, guys. Keep liking the videos. If you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, even if you guys want to see different content, feel free to leave me feedback. I am totally open, so it's all appreciated, all love. And with that said, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day, rest of the night. Be safe, and we will see you next time. Caveman Mining, out of here.